Bob Carlson here with today's weather report, brought to you by lemon-flavored avalanche for glasses without spots. And today's weather report is suggested by Mr. Chick Little, and Mr. Little has been good enough to send us a photograph of himself, as we encourage all of you to do when you send in your weather suggestions. And he says, I believe that the sky is falling. I look up to the sky every day, and by the end of the day, it is a lot closer than it was before. And I wonder why this happened, and is it ever going to actually fall down to the ground and crush us? Well, Mr. Little, the sky cannot fall. The reason the sky cannot fall primarily is because there's no such thing as the sky, really. The sky does not exist. The sky that we see, what we see as and interpret as the sky, is really just layer upon layer upon layer of atmosphere. And when you get a whole bunch of layers of atmosphere and pile them up on top of each other, you get something that looks like a kind of blue ceiling. I don't know why this happens. They tried to explain it to me in weather school, but I never could quite get it. Anyway, there's never been a single report anywhere in the world or throughout history of the sky actually falling. If you're referring to that children's story, then Mr. Little, then you need to read it again, because you can see it's absurd on the face of it. Oh, and by the way, Mr. Little is from is in North Dakota over here. Look, what? Look! Wait a minute! Look, the sky over North Dakota appears to be falling. John, the sky is falling in North Dakota. This weather or not report has been brought to you by lemon-flavored avalanche for glasses without spots, and new improved avalanche 2 for contact lenses. We'll be back tomorrow or the next day with another weather report here on NBC.